Hello everyone. So this video is just a touch on cleaning tips for your Sourxe water bottle. The manufacturer that we had these created to recommends that you do not put these in the dishwasher for a number of different reasons. One, because of the laser engravings that are on here, and two, because of the way that the graphics are set up in here. Any intense heat from a dishwasher per se, or even scalding hot water, might affect the way that the bottles have the laser engravings and the decals put on there. So we don't want that to happen. So what they do recommend is just a non-abrasive dishwash, hand washing it. And then to clean the inside of it, they recommend you just fill it up with hot water and drop one of those cleaning alkaline type of pills in there that just fizzes, and you let it sit for a day and it cleans it out, and then just rinse it out and you're good to go. Again, these are manufacturer recommended tips, so I would abide by them, because you want this water bottle to last you a very long time, and folks, they're absolutely beautiful. So again, do not put it in the dishwasher. No scalding hot water. A mild dishwasher soap, just wash it by hand, the inside, the top, and then fill it up with hot water if you want, and put one of those cleaning tablets on the inside, and you're good to go. She's a beauty.